If you desire a massive display, both the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max are wonderful possibilities. Both flagships are the largest available by their respective manufacturers, and we're here to find out which one is superior. While each of these phones have huge displays, their looks are considerably different. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 offers a foldable display that can adapt to your use case, as the name suggests. On the front, you have a 6.2-inch covered display that resembles a traditional phone. Open it up and look at a 7.6-inch that can be used almost like a tablet, and the backside looks pretty clean with the triple camera array. It's a beautiful design, but you'll want to get a case for it to protect its fragile construction from cracks. Even though it has the enhanced Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and aluminum frame, it might break if dropped accidentally. Meanwhile, the iPhone 14 Pro Max has a classic matte glass look on the back with a Pro camera system and a center Apple logo. Its display does not fold, but the company did abandon the notch in favor of the dynamic island cutout, which blends hardware and software elements together. When it comes to the frame that separates the glass back and the actual screen, you get polished straight stainless steel that results in a premium box design. When it comes to the display, both devices offer up to 120 Hz refresh rates, which results in smoother animations and transitions. Both smartphones also have sharp screens that should cater to your casual watching needs without issues. The main modifications are the Fold and Smart Pen compatibility. It's also worth noting that with this update, Samsung has enhanced the hinge, enabling you to unfold the smartphone nearly entirely flat, which may be the difference between you ultimately getting a foldable phone or not. Similarly, the Samsung Foldable supports the S Pen, however the iPhone 14 Pro Max does not support the Apple Pen, so if you regularly doodle or write handwritten notes, you may want to consider this. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.